Number 1, 1969 Chevrolet Impala Super Sedan. Listed at $1,850, this 1969 Chevrolet Impala Super Sedan comes with a 350 engine and power glide transmission. It has 67,000 miles on the odometer. Although the car runs, the current owner has not registered it, but the paperwork should be easy to transfer. This four-door sedan would make a solid restoration project. Historical note: the 1969 Chevrolet Impala was part of the fourth generation, known for its larger, more luxurious design. It was a popular family car with a mix of performance and comfort, making it a staple of American roads during its time. Number 2, 1979 Ford Thunderbird. This 1979 Ford Thunderbird has 120,000 miles on it and is still running. Located in Rockford, Illinois, it comes with rims included and features a red exterior and matching interior. This car is a good candidate for a budget classic cruiser. Historical note: the 7th generation Thunderbird 1977 to 1979 was downsized compared to its predecessors, offering improved fuel efficiency without sacrificing the luxury for which the Thunderbird was known. This model played a key role in Ford's efforts to adapt to the fuel crises of the 1970s. Number 3, 1964 Pontiac Catalina Ventura. This 1964 Pontiac Catalina Ventura is listed for $4,500. It has 36,000 miles, a 6.4-liter 389 V8 engine, and a hydromatic transmission. The car runs and drives, and the floors are solid. It's a blue-on-blue combination and is registered with a clean title, ready to hit the road. Historical note: the 1964 Pontiac Catalina was part of Pontiac's full-size lineup, known for its strong V8 engines and smooth ride. The Ventura trim offered additional luxury features, making it a more upscale version of the Catalina. This model helped Pontiac establish its reputation for performance and style during the 1960s. Number 4, 1966 Dodge Dart. Priced at $3,500, this 1966 Dodge Dart comes with a 6-cylinder engine and has 97,000 miles on the odometer. It runs and drives well, though it requires some work as a project car. The tags are up to date, making this a good choice for someone seeking an affordable restoration project. Historical note: the Dodge Dart became a popular compact car in the 1960s, known for its reliability and affordability. The 1966 model was part of the third generation and offered a range of engines from economical 6-cylinder units to powerful V8s in the sportier versions. The Dart was a favorite for daily drivers and drag racers alike. Number 5, 1964 Cadillac DeVille Sedan. Listed for $3,000, this 1964 Cadillac Sedan DeVille has been driven 66,666 miles. While it runs on carb cleaner, it lacks a title, so the sale is based on a bill of sale only. The vehicle is complete, with new tires recently installed, but it would require more work to get it fully roadworthy. Historical note: the 1964 Cadillac DeVille represented the peak of American luxury in the early 1960s. Known for its extravagant size, plush interiors, and powerful V8 engines, it epitomized Cadillac's slogan, "the standard of the world." The DeVille was often chosen by executives and celebrities for its comfort and prestige. Number 6, 1967 Plymouth Belvedere Sedan. At $3,000, this 1967 Plymouth Belvedere Sedan has 31,661 miles and has been sitting for 24 years. The seller got it running, but it needs roller rockers adjusted and possibly a change to electronic ignition. The car comes with new tires, a new carburetor, and a good transmission, but needs interior work and paint. Historical note: the Plymouth Belvedere was a versatile mid-size car that evolved into one of Plymouth's most iconic muscle cars during the late 1960s. The 1967 model marked the end of its third generation, offering everything from practical sedans to high-performance versions like the GTX, a favorite among muscle car enthusiasts. Number 7, 1969 Pontiac GTO Coupe Tempest Custom S. This 1969 Pontiac Tempest Custom S, priced at $4,850, is a rare find. It features a 350 engine and a turbo 400 transmission. The body is 95% rust-free but needs bodywork and brake work. Sitting on Rally 2 wheels, it has AC components missing and needs interior finishing touches. A California bill of sale is provided. Historical note: the Pontiac Tempest Custom S was an interesting transitional model during the muscle car era. In 1969, the Tempest shared much of its design with the famous GTO, which helped create the muscle car craze. Though lesser known than its GTO sibling, the Tempest offers a unique mix of style and performance. Number 8. 1961 Ford Galaxy 5-Point. Listed for $4,850, this 1961 Ford Galaxy sedan features a 5.0 Mustang V8 engine, which was completely rebuilt a few years ago. The body is straight with minor surface rust, and the car is a great candidate for restoration or keeping as a patina cruiser. The title is clean, and the registration is good until March 2025. Historical note: the Ford Galaxy was Ford's full-size flagship model in the early 1960s. Known for its futuristic styling and large engines, the Galaxy became synonymous with both family comfort and performance, especially in the high-performance versions used in NASCAR racing during the era. Number 9. 1965 Chevrolet Nova. This 1965 Chevrolet Nova is priced at $4,000. It features a V8 engine and automatic transmission with 64,000 miles on the odometer. The car has a green exterior and would make a good restoration project, especially for muscle car enthusiasts. Historical note: the Chevy Nova, originally introduced as the Chevy 2, was Chevrolet's compact car that could be equipped with a range of engines, from fuel-efficient inline-sixes to powerful V8s. The 1965 Nova was part of the second generation, with a reputation for lightweight and high-performance potential, making it a favorite among hot rodders. Number 10. 1964 Chevrolet Impala. Listed at $4,500, this 1964 Chevrolet Impala has had its floors, drive shaft, tires, and carpet recently replaced. The car runs and drives, but it needs quarter-panel rust repair and brake work. This Impala has a V8 engine and a 2-speed Powerglide transmission. Historical note: the 1964 Chevrolet Impala is one of the most iconic American cars of all time, especially in the lowrider and custom car communities. Known for its sleek styling and smooth ride, the '64 Impala was a symbol of American automotive success during the post-war boom years. Number 11. 1965 Chevrolet Impala Sedan. This 1965 Chevrolet Impala sedan, priced at $3,000, has 68,000 miles and runs well. It has a new gas tank, and the vehicle is in running and driving condition. With its blue exterior and interior, this classic four-door Impala offers a lot of potential for restoration. Historical note: the 1965 Impala marked a major redesign for Chevrolet's full-size lineup. The new, more curvaceous body style helped the Impala become the best-selling automobile in the United States that year. Its combination of style, comfort, and performance made it one of Chevrolet's most enduring models.